Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make easy 3-ingredient macarons. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 100 grams of finely ground almond flour, 100 grams of powdered sugar, and 2 large egg whites. Using aged egg whites, perhaps separated a day in advance and left at room temperature, can significantly improve your meringue stability and volume, which is key for perfect macaron shells. This simple combination is all you need to start your macaron journey. Next, we'll create the meringue, the backbone of your macarons. Begin by whipping your 2 large egg whites on medium speed until they become foamy and soft peaks start to form. Gradually add 100 grams of powdered sugar, about 1 tablespoon at a time, while continuing to whip. Increase the speed to high and beat until you achieve stiff, glossy peaks that hold their shape firmly when the whisk is removed. This stable meringue is crucial for successful macaron feat. Now comes the delicate art of macaronage. Gently fold the 100 grams of almond flour and the remaining 100 grams of powdered sugar into your meringue. Mix until the batter flows like slow-moving lava, forming a ribbon when dropped from your spatula. This consistency is vital for the signature feat. Transfer the batter to a piping bag and pipe uniform 1.5-inch circles onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, leaving 1 inch of space between each. Finally, prepare your macarons for baking. After piping, let them rest at room temperature for 30 to 60 minutes, or until a dry skin forms on top. This resting period prevents cracking and encourages the development of those beautiful feet. Bake in a preheated oven at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes. Once baked, let them cool completely on the baking sheet before gently peeling them off. Then, fill them with your favorite filling and enjoy your homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.